complexity is something which we thrive on, right? How complexer the network environment is, the more value we can bring as a network monitoring tool. And what we do is, we basically make it very easy and very easy to use basically for our end users. So when they have a really complex situation, we just make it easy to manage because it's in the end all about performance management of your network. And I want to bring you along with this use case. And this is from a partner perspective. This all started with a RFP from a customer. So our partner decided to bid on it. And there were certain network monitoring requirements which were, well, not really out of the ordinary, but the complexity came from the fact that there were multiple technologies in there. So we were talking about a legacy environment combined with their new wish of SD-WAN solution, which was in this case a VMware solution or VeloCloud solution. But the other factor weighing in was the fact that there were multiple service providers that could bid on this, and they also wanted to split their, let's say, environment and give that, or let multiple service providers win this deal. So that was an important factor as well. And the last one is that they wanted to combine SD-WAN and LAN monitoring in one, let's say, overview. So our partner basically scratched their head a bit and was not really confident on checking all the network monitoring requirements. And that's what we did. We managed the success criteria together from the start and really helped them fulfill these boxes with confidence. So really good understanding. And to give you an idea on how that turned out to be, Misha is going to walk you through this environment.
Yeah, thank you. I remember this case. The pre-sales teams were working on this requirement set. And I think I remember that one of the first requirements was we need a single pane of glass. All your solutions need to be visible in one pane of glass, in one screen. And that's nice, but if you're managing all kind of network devices, Rick, you need portals. But if you need to visualize that, then it's becoming tricky. So lucky us, we were used to this and we proposed this because we had, I remember at VeloCloud, we had Cisco routers, Cisco NetFlow. We had all kind of technology here and it needs to be integrated in one dashboard. This is what you see on the screen. We just orchestrated the dashboard because I also remember there were access points involved and controllers and stuff. So we managed to create a very complex environment with a lot of technical information and interfaces and stuff into a dashboard that was used. And this is just an example for a team that just can use and start with the world map and click on the red buttons or the red countries, or in this case, sites, and then start the investigation further. All kind of triggers are there because monitoring is one, you have the data in your database, but then setting thresholds and looking to anomalies and then present that in a dashboard and that across all the technologies. I think that's where we managed to win the deal here. So that's just an example. And it looks like easy, but if you like to troubleshoot, for example, something that goes down, you actually have an example here that you click on a site, a red site or whatever, and then you can see the LAN devices, if it's up or down, the access points, but also how is my quality of service doing on my wide area network. And I think it's all supporting the workflow of if there is a problem, finding the problem fast, resolving it. In a multi-vendor environment or a multi-supplier environment, it's important that you directly see who to call. And that's what we try to manage here. From an end user perspective, we were managed to deliver the dashboards and integrate all technologies into, let's say, the dashboard set. What we also do is dashboards, but you would also like to have a deep dive there because it's nice to have a dashboard, but if you need to find the problem, you need to find a needle in the haystack and actually be able to drill down into the details. And this is an example of a switch that you have, it's been popped up on the dashboard and you can click on it and drill down. And in this case, zoom into statistics of a specific interface. But it can also be on CPU, memory, or let's say other metrics that you normally measure there. So I think this were really impressive there. And then on top of that, they say, okay, this is all nice. And now also reporting needs to be done. So on this case, all the metrics, all the single pane of glass ideas needs to be implemented in the reporting. And then lucky we had us, we managed to create one report and across all technologies. If you see availability reporting, for example. It's not only for the Cisco's, it's also for the edges. It's because you have one single view of everything. You can also do unified reporting there. The whole team is very proud on this, let's say, on this customer and on this solution we have delivered, Rick.